Mynediad i hon. Gan Danny Davies yn ôl at Ben Clark! 8fed gol Ben Clark yn y 6 gêm diwetha. Ac ar ôl dim ond 7 munud, maen nhw wedi mynd ar y blaen. Rhediad Danny Davies i mewn i'r cwrs Cosby, a fe dynodd o'r bel yn ôl. Y cyfle cynta, Ben Clark o'r pnawn, a doedd o ddim angen ailfoddiad. Mariet a Brobl, sydd o gwmpas on. Brobl yn ei gadael i. Mariet, cymanu'r bel i mewn ar y chwith, a mae wedi dod at y postyn pella, a mae'n ddwy ddim. A Ryan Astles oedd yno i sgorio i ail gol o'r tymor. Cic rydd, Chris Mariet yn cael ei ffenio ymlaen gan Blaine Hudson. Ac oedd hi'n hawdd i rywun o daldra Ryan Astles i droi'r bel i mewn ar y postyn pella. Brobl di colli'r bel tro yma. Ben Clark yn ôl. Ia, ennill y meddiant. A rhyddhau Ryan Brobl i lawr y chwith. Brobl i mewn i cwrs Cosby! A Ryan Brobl yn ei gwneud i'n dair, yn llithro'r bel rhwng coesa Dave Jones. Ac ar ôl dim ond chwarter awr, mae rhywun yn teimlo bod y gêm a drosodd fel gornest yn barod. Cic wyllt yn ôl gan Callum Roberts. A mae wedi mynd holl ffordd dros ben Dave Jones. A'r unig beth oedd y golwr yn gallu wneud o ochr i gwrs Cosby oedd gwylio'r bel yn hwylio dros di benno. Callum Roberts yn sgorio gol anhygoel i'w rwyd ei hun. Brobl ar ochr y cwrs Cosby at Redmond. Mariet derbyn y bel yn ôl gan Routledge. Mariet yn croesi, a Penia Declan McManus sy'n ei gwneud i'n 5. 7fed gol, Declan McManus ers dechrau Ionawr. Redmond yn dwy'n y bel, croesiodd o tuag at McManus. McManus yn tynnu'r bel i lawr, yn ôl at Ben Clark. Mae'n 6 i ddim, a mae'n rhemp yma ar neuadd y parc. Ail gol Ben Clark o'r pnawn. Redmond efo'r croesiad tuag at McManus, a mae'r Albanwr yn cael ei ail o'r pnawn, a bellach mae'n 7. Croesiad ddofn gan Redmond, canfod troed dde Declan McManus, a mae'n mynd o ddrwg i waith i'r Drenewydd Drian.
I thought it was a great start. Actually, the first 2 or 3 minutes, Newtown really come out the blocks and went to press were high and really were aggressive with it. Obviously, they're coming here, cup mentality of nothing to lose and no 3 points on the line. Can we go and put them under pressure? And I think obviously scoring 4 goals in 3 in the first half hour, and then obviously the freak on goal in the last minute of the first half just settled everything down. But I thought we were good value for it. We had other opportunities as well the first half, and then the second half was just sort of opportunity to keep the ball and move the ball and try to score more goals.
How do you make sure that a result like that today doesn't affect the players going forward?
Well, look, it needs to sting because we've lost a game of football. So whenever you lose a game of football, whether it was in Europe in the summer and we lost, it still stung. So that'll sting, and that I think that's a good thing. And we need to make sure now that we'll meet up Tuesday. We'll put this to bed, which we have to do because we have to move on. We will do, and then we'll prepare for, as I say, for Penabont, which, as you quite rightly say, will be another tough game.
Sometimes get bored of kind of just being that central striker and not seeing the ball as much, although you do get the chances in our team with the likes of Brobs, Clarkey, Maz, Redo supplying it, but sometimes I do drop deep, and to be fair, the manager lets me do that and he trusts me to go and get the ball and create as well.
It's tough just to single out one player after a result like that, especially one that didn't score, but Dan Redmond, he's so important to you with creating goals as well. He
is, what can't speak, can't lie. I think Scorer yourselves put something out recently about, I think it was 15 or 16 assists he's had, which I think was more than the whole of anyone done last year. So, and he's got another one again today. He's been fantastic. He's played left back, he's played centre midfield, and he's got a lovely left foot. He's a fantastic footballer. So now we're certainly seeing the best of Danny Redmond without a shadow of a doubt.